Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the function trunc or TRUNC, which is short form of truncate. Now, what is truncate? Truncate is shortening the number. So, in our example, we have a number with decimals. So, we'll see how the truncate works. Okay, so it trims or removes the number, shortens the number. Now here we say 0 and truncate by 0, 1, 2. So 1 decimal, 2 decimal, and so forth. Let's see. The formula would be in C2 we'll put equals to TRUNC open bracket, the number which you want to truncate. So I want to truncate this number which is in column A. So I'll put A2 comma by number digit. So what is the digit we want to truncate to? It's a 0. So when we 0, basically it will retain the, it will from decimal completely it will remove truncate. So it becomes the 3454 without any decimals. Now we'll see 1. So it will truncate by first decimal. So it will retain this one and removes everything else. Now we'll do for other things till here. Now you say 6 because we have 6 decimals. So it's after that there is nothing. So it is almost it's the same number. Now when we say minus 1, so it is from decimal, it from goes to from tens place, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So minus 1 is 10. So from decimal, it will go to left. That is a tens place. So it's truncated this. So it become 0. So the number is 3540. Now truncate by minus 2. That is minus 2 digits, tens, units and tens. So it has become 3450. We'll copy this and paste it. That's the formula here. Now the last one fifth because there are only 5 digits. This is a 5 digit number. So after that there is nothing. So it has become 0. Now we'll see a practical use of truncate where we can use and how we can use. So here I have this example. Here are the employees and here are the salaries. Okay. Now assume that we pay only salary by cash and we have 2000 rupees bundles 500, 200, 150, 20, 10, and 5 rupees, 2 rupees and 1 rupee coins. So we have to give in the best denomination, that means the more higher denominations, then whichever change we have to give by this one. So how best we can give it? Now let's see. Here we have 25,000. So the formula what we have given, we have truncated by 2000. So how many 2000s are there? It will truncate and it will give 12. That means 2000 into 12, 24,000 will go. And we have to remaining, we have to see how much 500, maximum 500s we can give. So the formula here would be what it does is already truncated 2000. So we know 12 notes of 2000 rupees has to be given and the remaining. So it will minus this, multiply 2000 into 12. So here is the multiplication and that will come to 24,000 And from 25,193 it will minus this, then it will truncate with 500. So we have 5,193. So 2, oh, sorry, 1,093. So we have 2, oh, that will become 1,000 rupees. So rest, the formula goes on 200. So it will multiply this 2000 into 12, 500 into 2, then it will add up both and minus from the total. So whatever is left out, it will divide by this one. Because 193 is less than 200, you cannot give any 200. So it will move on to next. So here again it will minus. So whatever the value remains, so we know that 193 is remaining. So we can give 100 rupees. So it will give, and then remaining 93 rupees divided by 50, it's 1, because no two, we cannot give 250 rupees, it's less than 100. So it will give 1, then remaining 2, and the coins, the remaining, so forth and so on, it goes on. Now to cross verify that it is calculated correctly, we'll check. We'll multiply this into this, and we'll copy this one to the right. Now you see, so 12 2,000 rupees, 24,000 gone there, 2 500, 1,000 rupees, and 100, and 250, sorry, 150, and remaining 220 rupees note, 40, and 2 rupees and 1 rupee. So when you add, here becomes 24,000 plus 1,000 is 25,000, plus 100 is 25,100, then 20,540, then it becomes 25,190. Then next 3 rupees cannot be divided by 10, cannot be divided by 5, so it's 0. Then 2, then it becomes 192, and 1 more rupee pending, which will be given by 1 rupee. Okay, so if you see, the total is 25,193. So you put this formula and give the salary accordingly. Okay, so this is a practical example which I have shown, and this is used in many small companies where they give salary by cash. That's all in this video. I hope you like this video. So I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jayaraman.